This is the easiest way to make money posting faceless videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels in 2023. This method requires no editing skills, no prior experience, and no money to get started. But here's the best part. It only takes 1 minute per video to create one of these, and you can literally post one video every single day. Now, this one person was able to go from zero to over $1,000 per month posting these faceless videos, and so can you. You re-gone? Nah. Want to grab some paper and a pen because we going over everything step by step? First, pick a niche. Now, when choosing a niche for these types of videos, you need to choose a faceless niche. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means a niche where you don't have to show your face or even use your voice. Now, if you don't know where to start, here are a few examples. You can make motivational videos like these guys. You could do horror stories like this channel. This channel shares scary things that happen to them, and they just use AI voices. You could do tech facts like this channel. They just use images and graphics and an AI voiceover. Or you could teach people about AI tools and tips like this channel. And there are so many more niches out there that you can get into. So pick one that you think would be fun to make content on. Now, once you have a niche picked, move on to step 2. Here's a quick recap of all the steps if you need it. Step 1, pick a niche. Step 2, use AI to create content. Step 3, edit and post your videos. And step 4, monetize. But for now, let's move on to step 2, which is using AI to create your content. Now, this is what makes this method so easy. There's actually 4 different tools that you're going to be using. ChatGPT to come up with your ideas, a website called ElevenLabs, or any other text-to-speech tool, a stock video website such as Pexels, Pixabay, or Pictory. These will all help you create your videos in literally 1 minute or less. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you video ideas for your niche. So for example, I'm going to type in "give me 5 video ideas for a motivational niche" and then hit enter. Now you can see it gave me 5 different ideas. I'm going to pick this top one right here, which says top 10 quotes for success. Then I'm going to click copy and move on to our next tool, which is a text-to-speech tool called ElevenLabs. Go ahead and sign up for a free account and then click on Create Voiceover. Now paste that prompt that we just got from ChatGPT and click on Generate. Now let's go ahead and choose a voice. I like to choose voices that sound professional, but you can choose whatever you like. So let us go ahead and click Generate, and let us wait for this to finish generating. And here we have our results. So let's go ahead and click on this play button and hear it. Sounds great. So let us go ahead and click copy and move on to our next tool, which is going to be Pexels, Pixabay, or Pictory. I prefer to use Pictory because it's easier, but you can use Pixabay or Pexels. The only difference is you'll have to download the videos yourself and cut them up manually. But let's go ahead and move on to step 3. So let's log into our Pictory account and click on Start Creating. Now paste in that voiceover that we just created. Next, name the video. So for this, I'm just going to put motivational video, then click on Generate Clips, and let's wait for this to finish. All right, so here's our clips. So I'm just gone, nah. Go ahead and click on this one right here and let S go ahead and click Edit Clip. Okay, now let S go ahead and click Save Changes and let S go back to our dashboard. Okay, let's go ahead and click Download and let's download it in an MP4 format. And now we're done with step 2. So let's move on to step 3, which is editing and posting your videos. Now you have 2 options here. Option No. One is to use a free editing software like CapCut or VN app. Option number 2 is to leave it as is and just post it as is. Now if you want to edit it, here's how you would go about doing it. First, open up your video editing software and import the clip that we just downloaded. Next, add in your intro and outro. You can find these online really easily. Just search up something like free TikTok intro or free Instagram outro, and you'll find something that you like. I'm just going to use these 2 free ones that I found online. Next, add in subtitles for your video. You can either do this manually by clicking on the subtitle button, or you can upload a file that has the subtitles already in it. We'll go over this in just a second. So then you'll also want to add in some music to your video. Again, you can find these online for free. And lastly, export your video and you're ready to post. Now, if you want to upload a file with the subtitles already in it, here's how you would go about doing it. First, you'll want to open up Google Docs and go to the AI subtitle section. Click on Open a New tab and then paste in that AI-generated voiceover. Once you're done, click on Generate, and let's wait for it to finish. Alright, so here are our subtitles. So let's go ahead and click Copy and then click on this Settings icon. Then click on Subtitles. Click on Upload File and select that subtitle file. And here you can see that it added the subtitles to our video. So now that we've edited our video, we're ready to post. So let's move on to step 4, which is to post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Now before you can post to these platforms, you need to make sure that you have an account created. If you don't already have an account created, go ahead and do that now. Now once you have your account created, you can post these videos on all 3 platforms. For YouTube Shorts, you would simply upload the video and then add a title. For TikTok and Instagram Reels, you would simply add the video and then add a caption. Alright, so now that we've posted our first video, it's time to monetize. To make money posting shorts, you're going to want to follow these 3 steps. First, you're going to want to grow a following. To do this, you're going to want to make sure that you're posting consistently. I recommend posting at least 1 video every single day. Next, you're going to want to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you will be eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program, where you can start making money off of ads. Finally, you're going to want to get brand deals or promote affiliate products. This can be done by reaching out to brands directly or by signing up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates. And that's it. That's exactly how to make money posting faceless videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Remember, you can get a full faceless video guide with all the tools and scripts you need by commenting faceless below. I'm giving this out for free to the first 100 people who commented, so don't miss out. Now, if you want to learn more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I literally upload a video every single day about making money online. You can follow me on social media for more great tips. See you next time.